Hey guys, I am back with another video, and there's this cat that is living on our porch. She's been here for about a day. She is lost, she's not ours, and she is a gray tabby kitten and has a kind of a shorter tail. She has a pink sparkly collar with a little J charm on it. Move your head. With a little J charm on it. If you can see that. This is what she looks like. She's been on our porch for about a day, so if you're missing her, this is for all Crawfordsville area people. If you're missing a kitten with a pink sparkly collar and a pink J charm, we have her with a short tail, and she's a gray tabby. I posted something on my Instagram, which will be down in the description, so you can go check that out. Please follow me too. Always plug. Anyways, this is what she looks like. She's got the J charm with a sparkly pink collar, a kitten, and it has a short tail, gray tabby. So if you're the owner, please DM me your address, and I will not leak and or share it. And yeah, so that's basically it. Yeah, if you're the owner, DM me and we will come and bring her to you. I just want this little kitty to have a home. I do not know her name. She just has J charm on her collar. I don't know her name. No, she has no name, as I have seen. Very, very, very friendly. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.